Welcome everyone then. So it says, identify and explain any risks which affect quality control and say how they can be reduced as well. So let's have a look at this then. Black and White audit firm has 20 partners and 80 audit staff. No quality control issue there. They have 4 cities in 1 country. They provide audit assurance and advisory services. No quality control issue there. Their clients are mainly sole traders and small PLCs. Biggish PLC is one of their largest clients. Black and White have just appointed a new engagement partner for Biggish PLC. So it's a new engagement partner, so there might be some quality control issues there. Not necessarily though. I think I'd put, new, so needs to get to know the business. So therefore there will be more time needed. And definitely some reviews of the work of the file from the engagement quality control reviewer. Okay. B&W, Black and White, does the following work for Biggish PLC: audit, tax comps, advisory work. The same fee as last year was agreed, although there is some more work on some financial instruments. So that's an issue, isn't it, here? There's obviously some form of fee pressure going on because we are accepting more work, same fee. And the only way we're going to do that is by cutting down on procedures. And if we cut down on procedures, then quality is going to go down. How do we rectify that? Well, I would say that we could try and agree further fees for further work. Obviously that would mean discussions with management, and you'd have to explain to them why we're doing it, that quality control is so important. Some information about the financial instruments will be made available a few days prior to audit completion due to difficulties with IFRS 9, said the finance director. Okay, so info coming late. Question is, why? Okay, is it the integrity of the client? Is it that they just think they can tell us anything? And if so, that's a quality control issue. One of the quality control issues is always what sort of client you accept. Is it that? And even if it's not that, it coming just before completion, well, we still need to do work. We need to maybe extend the deadlines. We will not be rushed into doing this work. During the audit, B&W's quality control partner resigned to become FD in Very Big, Biggish's parent company. Very Big is audited by a different firm of auditors. So here, I think the issue would be that he is now the FD of the parent, and so we would now be worried about independence and about whether we could do this job properly, because the FD might have influence. So it all depends on the amount of influence over Biggish that he now has. Okay, if he has too much, we would have to resign. The quality control partner has not yet been replaced. So there's another issue. The quality control partner not replaced. And the whole point of this is, well, for start, so while away or while not there, quality control issues go undealt with, which obviously reduces quality. But more than that, I think, we all say, don't we, that the culture of a business, the whole culture, the overriding culture, needs to be one of quality. And it clearly isn't one of quality if they're not replacing the quality control partner immediately. Okay, so you would need how to deal with it, an immediate appointment of a new quality control partner. Okay, work on ethical compliance. So compliance, that would be compliance with some sort of code, with an ethical code. confirming their lack of any ethical conflicts is still outstanding. So it comes back to this culture of quality, this culture of being ethical. They have to make sure that all staff, not only do they have to confirm that they are ethical, that they have no issues with complying with the code, but that they're aware. You know, sometimes they might hold shares in a client and not realise that that's a problem. So it's the awareness of it that's the issue. So plenty of quality control, plenty of ethical issues in that little question. And, you know, it's typical of exam questions that we're going to go and do on the classroom that you'll see. Typical of that, so get good at it, folks.